So why does this matter? Right now, we have very good platforms for generating proposals on the community side, but not so much on the developer side. The community platforms that we have are focused on creating proposals, voting, and executing in a public forum, in a public setting with a wide audience. We want to reach the most amount of people, get the most engagement, get the most people to sign either yes or no, and it's targeted to be the least amount of friction. It's built to be the least amount of friction and just get people to vote, right? And that tooling is very good for that purpose, and it's very important that we have tools like that. However, because on-chain voting is a delicate and complex process, there is a lot of work that goes into it before a vote or an action makes it over to the community platform. Before it even gets there, there's a whole team of people working on these things to make sure that they're correct and accurate. And that's why I want to isolate out the developer side of this. For example, Alice is usually instructed to create a proposal. She does that. She asks another human being, I want eyes on this. Can you validate this for me before we even publish it? And the developer team is focused on repeatability, precision, accuracy. They want to remove the most amount of errors before action makes it to the community side, and they want to check and validate that there's no malicious intents in the proposal. And for this, we need specialized tooling that caters to this audience, not a wide general purpose audience, but a very specific audience of someone who's wishing to craft a proposal from scratch. And this is why we need more tools here, because there aren't tools that exist here yet until now. And there's a lot of tools that are available to developers already. This is just like writing code. And if we can leverage those tools and leverage the things that we're already using to write code securely and safely for the purposes of DAO governance, then we can improve this entire process. It's also important that we increase the audience, the group of people who is able to actually complete this step. If there's only 5 people in the world that can generate a proposal from scratch, then it doesn't matter that a DAO has a billion voters in it. We need more people to be able to go through this process safely, and we want everyone to be able to sleep comfortably at night. So it's important that we create more tools on the developer side to increase the accessibility to the more delicate and important technical parts of the governance process.